So in the last class we discussed some of the problems, derivative as the rate of change. We continue that the applications of derivatives is here. So what about that part is here? A point is moving on y is equal 4 minus 2x square. The x coordinate of the point, is decreasing at the rate of 5 units, per second. Then the rate of which y coordinate of the point is changing when the point is at 2, 2 is 2, 2 is dash. First response is 5 units per second, second response is 10 units per second, third response is 15 units per second, fourth response is 20 units per second. Right. Students, a particle moving on the curve equation is given. The x coordinate of the point decreasing at the rate of change, x coordinate, the rate of change is 5 units per second. Then the rate of y coordinate at the point 2, 2 is given. So what the curve equation is here? Curve equation is y is equal 4 minus 2x square is here. Then the change of the change of the x coordinate dx by dt is given minus 5 units per second. 5 units per second at the point 2, 2 is here. Then we find the change of y coordinate is here. So what the change of y coordinate is here? dy by dt is equal, this is constant 0, minus 2 into 2x into dx by dt is here. Right. This value is here, minus 4x into dx by dt is here. At the point change of the y coordinate at the point 2, 2 is here, minus 4 into 2 into dx by dt is minus 5 is here. So the value is here, the value is here, the x coordinate is the point is the 1, 2 is here. So here 1, 2, the change of y coordinate is here, the value is the whatever is here 20 units for whatever is here. Change of the x coordinate is dx by dt is minus 5 units per second at the point 1, 2. Then change of y coordinate at the same point is here. So differentiate this one, dy by dt is equal minus 4x into dx by dt, and at the point 1, 2 is here, x is 1, dx by dt is minus 5. So simplify 20 units per second. So that's why the fourth answer is correct. The y coordinate is changed 20 units per second. ఒక కణం y is equal 4 minus 2x square అనే వక్రమేమటి కదులుతున్నది. దాన్ని 1, 2 బిందువు వద్ద x నిరూపకంలోని మార్పు రేటు 5 యూనిట్స్ పర్ సెకండ్ అయితే y నిరూపకంలోని మార్పు రేటు ఎంత అని అడిగినాడు. రైట్. వక్రం చలించే బిందువు చలించే వక్రం యొక్క సమీకరణం y is equal 4 minus 2x square మరియు x నిరూపకంలో మార్పు రేటు 1, 2 బిందువు వద్ద -5 అని ఇచ్చిండు. అయితే y నిరూపకంలో మార్పు రేటు కనుక్కోమన్నాడు. చూడండి, ఇది y is equal 4 minus 2x square వక్రం సమీకరణం. దీన్ని అవకలనం చేస్తే dy by dt వస్తుంది. dy by dt 1, 2 బిందువు వద్ద 20 యూనిట్స్ పర్ సెకండ్ అనగా y నిరూపకంలోని మార్పు రేటు 20 యూనిట్స్ పర్ సెకండ్. Next question, gas is being pumped into a spherical balloon at the rate of 30 feet cube per minute. The rate at which the radius increase when it reaches the value 15 feet is dash. Then first response is 1 by 35 feet per minute. second response is 1 by 15.5 feet per minute, the third response is 1 by 20 feet per minute, and the fourth response is 1 by 25 pi feet per minute. This is the given question. So a gas is pumped to the in the spherical balloon at the rate of 30 feet cube per minute. The rate at which the radius is increasing when it reaches the value is 15 minutes is here. So what the being the spherical rate of the change, the volume change dV by dt is given 30 feet cube per minute. This is given is here. Next one. So our radius is equal 15 feet is given. 15 feet is given. Then volume of the sphere V is equal 4 by 3 pi r cube is here. Right. V is equal 4 by 3 pi r cube. So what is the rate of the change in volume is here? 4 by 3 into pi into 3 r square into dr by whatever is here dt. This is given. Right. So what is the dV by dt? dV by dt is 30. 3 and 3 will be cancelled. 4 pi into r is whatever the 15 square into dr by dt is here. So from this dr by dt is equal, simplify this one, dr by dt is equal 1 by 30 pi feet per whatever is here minute. Right. Therefore what the rate of the change in radius is 1 by 35 feet per minute can be taken. Radius increasing in the rate of 1 by 30 pi feet per whatever is here minute. First answer is correct. Right. What given? A gas is pumped in the balloon, spherical is here, at the rate of the change in the 30 volume change. The radius is given 15 minutes. What the rate of radius increasing, rate of the change in radius is asking is here. So what the given? Rate of the change in volume is 30 feet cube per minute and the radius is given. Find the rate of the change in radius is here. So volume of the sphere is here. V is equal 4 by 3 pi r cube and the rate of the volume, change of the volume is dV by dt. So already this is given 30, radius is 15 is given. So simplifying this one, dr by dt is equal 1 by 35 feet per minute. Right. Oka గోళాకారంగా ఉన్న గోళాకారంలో బెలూన్లోకి మనము ఒక ఏదైనా వాయువుని పంపించినప్పుడు దాని ఘనపరిమాణంలో మార్పు రేటు 30 ఫీట్స్ పర్ మినిట్గా ఉంది మరియు దాని వ్యాసార్థం 15 అయితే వ్యాసార్థంలోని మార్పు రేటుని కనుక్కోండి అని ఇచ్చినాడు. రైట్. ఘనపరిమాణంలోని మార్పు రేట్ ఎంత అండి? 30 ఫీట్స్ క్యూబ్ పర్ మినిట్. రేడియస్ అండ్ వ్యాసార్థం ఎంత ఇచ్చినండి? 15. అయితే వ్యాసార్థంలోని మార్పు రేటు కనుక్కోమన్నాడు. మనం గ్యాస్ నింపేది గోళాకారంగా ఉన్నది కాబట్టి దాని యొక్క ఘనపరిమాణం V is equal 4 by 3 pi r cube. దాని ఘనపరిమాణంలో మార్పు రేటు dV by dt is equal 4 by 3 pi into 3r square into dr by dt. సో దీంట్లో ఘనపరిమాణంలో మార్పు రేటు ఇచ్చినాడు, వ్యాసార్థం ఇచ్చినాడు. ఇటు సూక్ష్మీకరిస్తే వ్యాసార్థంలో మార్పు రేటు dr by dt is equal 1 by 35 feet per minute. కాబట్టి మొదటి ఆన్సర్ is correct. Next question, the distance moved by the particle in time t is given by s is equal to t cube minus 12t square plus 6t plus 8 at the instant when its acceleration is zero, then the velocity is dash. The velocity is dash. The first response is 42, second response is minus 42, third response is 48, fourth response is minus 48 units is here. The velocity is dash. So the distance of a particle moving at the time t is given. S is equal t cube minus 12t square plus 6t plus 8. At velocity is 0, then what, right, acceleration is 0, then what is the, at which velocity acceleration is 0 is asking. Right. What the distance function is here? Yeah, distance formula S is equal t cube plus 12t square plus 6t plus 8 is given. Right. Then velocity V is equal ds by dt is here. Velocity V is equal ds by dt is here. 3t square minus 24t plus 6 is here. Nay, acceleration A is equal d square s by dt square is here. The value is here 60 minus whatever is here 24. Right. Given velocity is 0. velocity is 0 is here. Imply 60 minus 24, 60 minus 24 is equal to 0. Implies t is equal to 4 is here. At the t is equal to 4, t is equal to 4 seconds is here, t is equal to 4 seconds is here, acceleration is 0. At the t is equal to 4, velocity v is equal to is here, ds by dt, at the acceleration is 0 is t is equal to 4 is here. The value is here, 3 into 4 square minus 24 into 4 plus whatever is here, 6 is here. If you simplify, we get is here, minus 42 units is here. Right. Therefore, acceleration is 0. That at the velocity is minus 42 units is here. What given? The particle moving in the distance function s is given at the time t. Acceleration is 0. Find the velocity is asking. Right. Whatever at the time t, particle moving and the curve s is equal t cube minus 12t square plus 60 plus 8 is here. So velocity v is ds by dt. Acceleration a is equal d square s by dt square. And we given acceleration is 0. You simplify, you get t is equal to 4. At the time t is equal to 4, acceleration is 0. At t is equal to 4, velocity v is equal minus 42 units is here. చూడండి, ఒక కణం t సమయంలో ప్రయాణించే సమీకరణం s is equal t cube minus 12t square plus 60 plus 8 అని ఇచ్చిండు. అయితే దాని త్వరణం 0 అయినప్పుడు ఆ కణం యొక్క వేగం కనుక్కోండి అన్నాడు. త్వరణం 0 అయినప్పుడు వేగం కనుక్కున్నాడు. t సమయం వద్ద కణం ప్రయాణించే దూరం యొక్క సమీకరణం s is equal t cube minus 12t square plus 60 plus 8. ఆ కణం యొక్క వేగం v is equal ds by dt. అదేవిధంగా త్వరణం a is equal d square s by dt square. కానీ త్వరణం 0 కావాలి అంటే a is equal 0, దాన్ని సూక్ష్మీకరిస్తే t is equal 4, 4 సెకండ్ల వద్ద త్వరణం 0 అవుతుంది. 4 సెకండ్ల వద్ద వేగం v is equal 3 into 4 square minus 24 into plus 6, దాన్ని సూక్ష్మీకరిస్తే minus 42 units is here. కాబట్టి కణం యొక్క వేగం త్వరణం 0 అయినప్పుడు కణం యొక్క వేగం v is equal minus 42 units. Next question, a point on the parabola, a point on the parabola y square is equal to 18x at which the ordinate increase at which the ordinate increase at twice the rate of the x coordinate, the rate of the x coordinate is dash. The rate of the x coordinate is dash. First response is 2, 4. Second response is 2, minus 4. Third response is minus 9 by 8, 9 by 2. And the fourth response is 9 by 8, 9 by 2 is here. What asking? A point on the parabola, this given. Right. The ordinate increase, y coordinate increase twice the rate of the change in x coordinate. The rate of the change in y coordinate is twice the rate of the x coordinate. At which point is asking is given. Right. So what is given is here? What is the given is here? So given the rate of the ordinate y coordinate is twice of the rate of the x coordinate is here. This is the given hypothesis. Rate of the y coordinate is twice of the rate of the x coordinate is given. And the curve parabola equation is here. Y square is equal to 18x is here. Y square is differentiate is here. 2y into dy by dt is equal 18 into dx by dt is here. Dx by dt. But what is the dy by dt is here? 2y into dy by dt is here. 2 into dx by dt is here is equal to 18 into dx by dt is here. Right. Simplify this y. 4y is equal to 18 is here. Y is equal to 9 by 2. At the point y is equal to 9 by 2. So implies y square is equal to 18x is here. What the y value is here? 19 by 2 whole square is equal 18x is here. Right. Solving this equation, x is equal to 9 by 8 is here. Right. Therefore, required point xy is equal to is here 9 by 8 comma whatever is here 9 by 2. Fourth response is correct. Right. A point on the parabola y square is equal to 18x is given. The rate of the y coordinate is twice of the rate of the x coordinate. Then that point asking the point then the required asking the point is here. So what rate of the y coordinate is equal to twice of the rate of the x coordinate. So the whatever the parabola is y square is given parabola is y square is equal to 8x. Differentiate 2y into dy by dt is equal 18 into dx by dt, but dy by dt is equal 2 into dx by dt. Simplifying we get y is equal 9 by 2. Substitute y value in the parabola is here, we get x equal 9 by 8. So required point is xy is equal 9 by 8 comma 9 by 2. Fourth option is correct. చూడండి. సో ఒక రైట్ y² = 18x అనే పరావలయంపై y నిరూపకంలోని మార్పు రేటు x నిరూపకంలోని మార్పు రేటుకి రెండు సార్లుగా ఉంటే ఆ ఏ బిందువు వద్ద y నిరూపకంలోని మార్పు రేటు x నిరూపకంలోని మార్పు రేటుకు రెండింతలు అవుతుంది అని అడిగినాడు. చూడండి, y నిరూపకంలోని మార్పు రేటు x నిరూపకంలోని మార్పు రేటుకు రెట్టింపు కాబట్టి 2 × dx/dt. పరావలయం సమీకరణం ఏంటండి? y² = 18x. దీన్ని అవకలనం చేస్తే 2y × dy/dt = 18 × dx/dt. కానీ y నిరూపకంలో మార్పు రేటు x నిరూపక మార్పు రేటుకు రెట్టింపు కాబట్టి 2 × dx/dt. దీన్ని సూక్ష్మీకరిస్తే y విలువ వస్తుంది. y = 9/2. పరావలయం సమీకరణంలో ప్రతిక్షేపిస్తే x వాల్యూ వస్తుంది. కాబట్టి 9/8, 9/2 బిందువు వద్ద y నిరూపకంలోని మార్పు రేటు x నిరూపకంలోని మార్పు రేటుకు రెట్టింపు అవుతుంది. కాబట్టి కావాల్సిన బిందువు 9/8, 9/2. Next question, a spherical iron ball 10 centimeters in radius, 10 centimeter is radius, is coated with a layer of ice of uniform thickness, then melts at a rate of 50 centimeters cube per minute. When the thickness of ice is 5 centimeters, then the rate at which the thickness of ice decreases is dash. Ice decreases is dash. First option is 1/36 pi centimeters per minute, and second answer is 1/18 pi centimeter per minute, and the third answer is 1/54 pi centimeter per minute, and the fourth answer is 15/6 pi centimeter per minute. This is given. So what? A spherical iron ball of radius is 10 centimeters coated with the layer of ice uniform thickness, with the thickness is ice is 5 centimeter, rate of the change is 50 centimeter cube per minute is here. Then the rate at which the thickness of ice of the is decreasing is given. Right. So whatever the uniform thickness melt in is the change in the volume is given. dV/dt is equal 15 centimeters cube per minute is given is here. And the radius of the sphere is, so radius is 10 centimeter and the ice is 5 centimeter. Total radius is r is equal 10 plus 5 15 centimeters is given. Right. Then we know that the spherical volume of the sphere is V is equal 4/3 pi, right, 4/3 pi r cube is here. Then whatever the rate of the change in volume is here, dV/dt is equal, rate of the change volume is given, dV/dt is equal 4/3 into pi into 3r square into dr/dt. So dV/dt is already given, whatever is here 50. The value is here 4 pi into r value is whatever is here 15 whole square into dr by whatever is here dt is here. So simplify from this simplifying is here you get dr/dt. Rate of the change in volume radius is the 1 by whatever is here 18 pi centimeters per minute is here. So therefore rate of the change in radius at which thickness is decreasing in the radius is here 1/18 pi centimeters per minute. Right. Given a spherical is iron ball, a spherical is iron ball with centimeters is radius, uniformly coated with the ice layer is the 5 centimeters is here. Rate of the change decreasing in the volume is 50 centimeters per minute. Then the whatever the rate of the change in radius is asking is here. So what the rate of the change in volume is 50 centimeter, and the radius of the sphere is the 10 plus 5 is 15 is here. So the whatever the we know that volume of the sphere V is equal 4/3 pi r cube. the rate of the change in volume is dV by dt. dV by dt already 15 is given, radius is 15. Simplify, rate of the change is dr by dt, or the thickness is decreasing. Thickness is decreasing is nothing but the rate of the change in radius is 1 by 18 pi centimeters per minute. చూడండి, సో ఒక గోళాకారంగా ఉన్న ఇనుప బంతి 10 సెంటీమీటర్ల వ్యాసార్థం ఉన్న గోళాకారంగా ఉన్న ఇనుప బంతి మొత్తానికి కూడా 5 సెంటీమీటర్ల చుట్టూ ఒక ఐస్తోని ఒక పూత పూసినాడు. అయితే అప్పుడు దాని వేడికి దాని ఘనపరిమాణంలోని మార్పు రేటు 50 సెంటీమీటర్స్ పర్ మినిట్ ఇచ్చినాడు. అయితే ఐస్ ఏ విధంగా కరుగుదలలోని మార్పు రేటు అడిగినాడు. ఐస్ కరుగుదలలో మార్పు రేటు ఏంటంటే వ్యాసార్థంలోని మార్పు రేటు కనుక్కోవాలి. కాబట్టి మన ఘనపరిమాణంలో మార్పు రేటు ఎంత ఇచ్చినాడు? 15 ఇచ్చినాడు. సో గోళం యొక్క ఘనపరిమాణం ఎంత గోళం యొక్క వ్యాసార్థం 10, ఐస్ 5, మొత్తం ఎంత అండి? 15. గోళం యొక్క ఘనపరిమాణ సూత్రం ఏంటండి? 4/3 πr3. దానిలోని మార్పు రేటు dV by dt సూక్ష్మీకరిస్తే dV by dt ఎంత ఇచ్చిందండి? 50 ఇచ్చినాడు. సో వ్యాసార్థం 15. దీన్ని సూక్ష్మీకరిస్తే వ్యాసార్థంలో మార్పు రేటు dr by dt is equal 1 by 18 సెంటీమీటర్స్ పర్ మినిట్. రైట్. కాబట్టి సో ఐస్ కరుగుదలలోని మార్పు రేటు లేదా వ్యాసార్థంలోని మార్పు రేటు ఎంత అండి? 1 by 18 pi సెంటీమీటర్స్ పర్ మినిట్. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ స్టూడెంట్స్, ఆన్ ద కర్వ్ x cube is equal 12y. Find the interval of values of x. Find the intervals of values of x for which the first coordinate means x coordinate changes. The first coordinate changes at a faster rate than the second coordinate. Then the second coordinate is dash. This is asking the question. So on the curve x cube is equal to 12y, find the interval in which the rate of the x coordinate change is faster than the rate of the y coordinate is asking. Right. So what the curve equation is here? X cube is equal to 12y is given. Right. What the rate of the change? Differentiate is here. 3x square into dx by whatever is here, dy is equal to 12y is here. With the rate of the change in faster of x coordinate, dx by dv. So from that, dx by dy is equal. So simplify, we get 4 by whatever is here, x square is given. Simplify this one. Right. So now x coordinate is change the as compared to the whatever is here, change the y coordinate is here. So from this, the whatever the change of x coordinate is faster than y coordinate is here is mod dx by dy greater than or equal to whatever is here 1. Right. So what the dx by dy is nothing but the 4 by x square greater than or equal to 1 is here. Mod 4 greater than or equal to whatever is here, x square is always positive is here. So but we observe mod 4 by x square greater than or equal to 1 means x must be not equal to 0 is here. x0 is infinite value is here. Mod x greater than or equal to 4 is here. So simplifying that one is here. Mod x less than or equal to 4 is here, comma x is not equal to 0. Right. Simplify, you get is here minus 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to, comma x is not equal to 0 is here. So therefore the range of x is here open, right, the range of x is here closed minus 2 comma 2 is here, but not equal to whatever is here 0. So this is the required answer is here. చూడండి, సో x cube is equal to 12y అనే వక్రంపై y నిరూపకంలోని మార్పు రేటు x నిరూపకంలోని మార్పు రేటు y నిరూపకంలోని మార్పు రేటు కంటే ఎక్కువగా ఉంటే x ఏ అంతరంలో ఉంటుంది అని. x నిరూపకంలోని మార్పు రేటు y నిరూపకంలోని మార్పు రేటు కంటే ఎక్కువగా ఉండాలంటే x ఉండే అంతరాన్ని కనుక్కోమన్నాడు. ఇవ్వబడిన వక్రం ఏంటండి? x cube is equal to 12y. దీన్ని y దృష్టి అవకలనం చేస్తే 3x square into dx by dy is equal to 12. దీన్ని సూక్ష్మీకరిస్తే dx by dy is equal to 4x square. x నిరూపకంలోని మార్పు రేటు y నిరూపకంలో మార్పు రేటు కంటే ఎక్కువగా ఉండాలి. కాబట్టి mod dx by dy greater than or equal to 1. So 4 by x square greater than or equal to 1 అంటే x not equal to whatever is here 0. దీన్ని సూక్ష్మీకరిస్తే x ఉండే అంతరం ఏంటండి? x ఉండే అంతరం the value is here closed minus 2 comma 2 minus 0 is here. Right. Next question, each edge of a cube is expanding at the rate at the rate of 1 centimeter per second, rate of 1 centimeter per second, then the rate of change, then the rate of change of its volume, then the rate of change of its volume when each edge is length of 5 centimeters is dash. The first response is 75 centimeter cube per second. Second response is 125 centimeter cube per second. The third response is 25 centimeter cube per second. And the fourth response is 175 centimeter cube per whatever is here second. What? So each edge of a cube is expanding at the rate of 1 centimeter per second. Then the rate of the change its volume when each edge is whatever the 5 centimeter. Suppose edge of the cube is x. Right, edge of the cube is x centimeters is here. So given x is equal 5 centimeters and the rate of the change dx by dt is 1 centimeter per second is given. Right. So then what asking is here, rate of the change in its whatever is here, rate of the change in its volume is given. Rate of the change in its volume is given. Since volume of the cube V is equal to whatever is here x cube, in each edge is x centimeters is here. So rate of the change in volume dV by dt is equal 3x square into dx by whatever is here dt. So what is the 3 into what the x value is here, edge length is 5 square into rate of the change in the length is whatever is here 1. The simplify is here, the value is here 25 3 70, volume of the change dV by dt is equal 75 centimeter cube for whatever is here second. This the first answer is clear. What given? In the cube each edge length is 5 centimeter and the rate of the change in edge is 1 centimeter cube per second. Then find the rate of change in its volume is given. Right. Suppose x is the length of the edge of the cube is x centimeter, then volume of the cube is V is equal to x cube, rate of the change in volume is dV by dt is equal to 3x square into dx by dt, x is given 5 and rate of the change in edge is 1 is given. So rate of the volume is 75 centimeters per cube. చూడండి, ఒక ఘనం యొక్క భుజం పొడవు 5 సెంటీమీటర్లు, భుజంలోని మార్పు రేటు 1 సెంటీమీటర్ పర్ సెకండ్ అయితే దాని ఘనపరిమాణంలోని మార్పు రేటు కనుక్కోమన్నాడు. చూడండి, ఘనము యొక్క భుజం x సెంటీమీటర్లు అనుకుంటే భుజం x ఈక్వల్ టు 5 సెంటీమీటర్లు ఇచ్చిండు, xలో మార్పు రేటు 1 సెంటీమీటర్ పర్ సెకండ్ ఇచ్చిండు, అయితే ఘనపరిమాణంలోని మార్పు రేటు కనుక్కోమన్నాడు. చూడండి, క్యూబ్ ఘనము యొక్క ఘనపరిమాణానికి సూత్రం v ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు x క్యూబ్. ఘనపరిమాణంలో మార్పు రేటు dV by dt is equal 3x square into dx by dt. x 5 సెంటీమీటర్స్ ఇచ్చిండు, dx by dt 1 ఇచ్చినాడు. దీన్ని సూక్ష్మీకరిస్తే ఘనపరిమాణంలో మార్పు రేటు 75 సెంటీమీటర్స్ పర్ సెకండ్. కాబట్టి ఫస్ట్ ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ కరెక్ట్. రైట్, నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ స్టూడెంట్స్. ఏ particle moves along the curve 6y is equal to x cube plus 2. The number of points on the curve, at which the y coordinate each change 8 times the x coordinate. 8 times the x coordinate. X coordinate is dash. First response is 4, second response is 3, third response is 2, fourth response is 1. The particle moving along the curve is 6y is equal to x square plus 2. Then find the number of points on the curve. Then the change of the y coordinate is 8 times the change of x coordinate. Right. What given? Change of y coordinate dy by dt is here. So 8 times change of the x coordinate dx by dt is here. This is given, and the curve equation is here. What the curve equation is here? Y is equal x cube by 6 plus whatever is here, 2 by 6 is here. Differentiate dy by dt is equal 1 by 6 into 3x square dx by dt is here, plus the constant is whatever is here, 0. What is the dy by dt? 8 times of the change of the x coordinate, dx by dt is equal to whatever is here, x square by 2 into whatever is here, dx by dt is here. Right. Simplify this one. Simplify this one is here. X square is equal to whatever is here. X square is equal to 16 is here. Imply x is equal to whatever is here plus or minus 4 is here. We get the x value is here. So the curve equation is here. Whatever is here. 6y is equal to x cube plus 2 is here. Suppose x is equal to 4. If x is equal to 4 is here, y is equal to whatever is here, 11. If x is equal to minus 4 is here, y is equal to whatever is here, minus 31 by whatever is here, 3. Therefore, required points is here 4, 11, minus 4, minus 31 by 3 is here. At these two 4, 11, minus 4, minus 31 by 3, at these 2 points, the change of the y coordinate is 8 times the change of the x coordinate. So, the number of required points is whatever the 2 points is given. Right. Curve, moving on the curve. Rate of the change in y coordinates is 8 times of the rate of the x coordinate. Then how many number of points on the curve satisfying this condition is here. So, curve equation, differentiate the rate of the change in y 8 times of the rate of the x coordinate. Simplifying, we get x is equal plus or minus 4, x equal plus 4 we substitute y value, x equal minus 4 we substitute y value, then we get the whatever. How many points are? 2 points. At these 2 points is here, the rate of the change in y coordinates is here, 8 times rate of the change in x coordinate is here. చూడండి, ఒక కణం 6y is equal to x cube plus 2 అనే వక్రంపై కదులుతుంది. దీని మీద y నిరూపకంలో మార్పు రేటు, x నిరూపకంలో మార్పు రేటుకు 8 రెట్లు అయ్యేటట్లు ఎన్ని బిందువుల దగ్గర ఉంటాయి అని అడిగినాడు. రైట్. చూడండి, y నిరూపకంలో మార్పు రేటు, x నిరూపకంలో మార్పు రేటుకు 8 సార్లు, 8 రెట్లు, కాబట్టి 8 into dx by dt. సో వక్రం కణం ఏ వక్రం ఏమిటి కదులుతుందండి? y is equal to x cube plus 6 plus 2 by 6. దీన్ని అవకలనం చేసి y నిరూపకల మార్పు రేటు 8 టైమ్స్లోని x నిరూపకల మార్పు రేటు సమానం. దీన్ని సూక్ష్మీకరిస్తే x equal plus or minus 4, x equal plus 4 రాస్తే y నిరూపకం, x equal minus 4 రాస్తే y నిరూపకం. కాబట్టి కావలసిన 2 బిందువుల వద్ద y నిరూపకల మార్పు రేటు x నిరూపకం మార్పు రేటుకు 8 రెట్లు ఉంటున్నాయి. కాబట్టి కావలసిన బిందువుల సంఖ్య 2. కాబట్టి థర్డ్ ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ కరెక్ట్. The length and width of a rectangle are respectively decreasing 5 centimeters per second and increasing 4 centimeters per second. When the length is 8 centimeters, and width is 6 centimeters. The rate of change of the area is dash. First response is 4 centimeters square per second. Second response is 8 centimeters square per second. Third response is 2 centimeters square per second. And the fourth response is 1 centimeter square per second. Right. What? The length and width of a rectangle respectively. Length is decreasing 5 centimeters per second and width is increasing 4 centimeters per second. When length is 8 centimeters and width is 6 centimeters. Then asking rate of the change of the area of the rectangle is dash. This is the asking is here. Suppose x is length. Suppose x is whatever is here, length, and the y is whatever is here, width. This is the given. Right. What is the length of the rectangle is x equal to 8 centimeter, width is y is equal to 6 centimeters is here. Right. What happened is here, rate of the length changes dx by dt is equal decrease minus 5 centimeters per second is here, and the rate of the change in the whatever is here width is dy by dt is equal to is here whatever the 4 centimeters per second increasing here. Then suppose A is area, then whatever the rate of the change in whatever is here area is asking is here. So we know that area of the rectangle A is equal to x into y is here. Right. That implies whatever the rate of the change in area is here, dx by dt is equal, what dA by dt is equal, dx by dt into y plus x into whatever is here, dy by dt is here. So what the dx by dt? Dx by dt is minus 5 into what are the y is here? 6. Right. Plus what the x is here? 8, length is 8 is here. Rate of the change in y is here, 4 can be taken is here. So therefore, dA by dt, rate of the change in area is here, 2 whatever is here centimeter square for whatever is here second. Therefore, rate of the change in whatever is here area of the rectangle is 2 centimeter square per second. What given? The length of the rectangle x, width of the rectangle y, rate of the change in length, rate of the change in width is given, rate of the change in area is here. So we know that right, what the area of the rectangle A is equal xy, rate of the change in area is dA by dt, you calculate 2 centimeters per second is here. చూడండి 8 సెంటీమీటర్ల పొడవు 6 సెంటీమీటర్ల వెడల్పు ఉన్న ఒక దీర్ఘచతురస్రంలో పొడవులోని మార్పు 5 సెంటీమీటర్ పర్ సెకండ్గా డిక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది, వెడల్పులోని మార్పు రేటు 4 సెంటీమీటర్స్ పర్ సెకండ్గా ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది. అప్పుడు వైశాల్యంలోని మార్పు రేటు కనుక్కోమన్నాడు. రైట్. దీర్ఘచతురస్రం యొక్క పొడవు ఎక్స్ అనుకొని దాని వెడల్పుని y అనుకుంటే ఈ పొడవు ఎంత ఇచ్చిందండి? 8 సెంటీమీటర్లు, వెడల్పు ఎంత ఇచ్చిందండి? 6 సెంటీమీటర్లు. రైట్. పొడవులోని మార్పు రేటు డిక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది కాబట్టి -5, వెడల్పులోని మార్పు రేటు ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది కాబట్టి +4. సో దీర్ఘచతురస్ర వైశాల్యం సూత్రం ఏంటండి? A ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు xy, వైశాల్యంలోని మార్పు రేటు dA by dt, దీంట్లో x y dx by dt dy by dt వాల్యూ సూక్ష్మీకరిస్తే మనకు వైశాల్యంలోని మార్పు రేటు 2 సెంటీమీటర్ స్క్వేర్ పర్ సెకండ్. కాబట్టి థర్డ్ ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ కరెక్ట్. రైట్. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ స్టూడెంట్స్, ఏ మ్యాన్ ఆఫ్ హైట్ 2 meters walks at a uniform of 5 kilometers per second, away from a lamp post of 6 meters height, away 6 meters height. His shadow length increases at the rate of is dash, at the rate of dash. The first response is 2.5 kilometers per hour, second response is 2 kilometers per hour, third response is 3 kilometers per hour, fourth response is 3.5 kilometers per hour. Right. What is the given question? A man of height 2 kilometers walking at the uniform rate of 5 kilometers per second away from the lamp of the post is 6 meters height is here. Then his shadow length increases at the rate. Right. Whatever this is the pole, lamp post is here, 6 meters is here. So this is the whatever is here, this the land level is here. So man height is here, whatever is here, man height is here 2 meters. Right. This is the lamp. Right. So this is the whatever is here, his shadow is this one can be taken. Right. So AB is the whatever is here lamp. Right. Next the PQ is the person height is here 2 meters is given. So whatever is here from the lamp of the foot of the post is here, person is distance is x centimeters is here. Then shadow is whatever is here y centimeters is here. This the S can be taken. Right. AB is the lamp post height 6 meter and the height of the person is 2 meters is here, and shadow is whatever the PSC shadow is y, and the length from the post length from the whatever is here length from the lamp post post is x centimeters is here, then rate of the shadow is length increasing is given is here. So what happen is here, you observe the triangles APS and PQS are similar triangles is here. Using the similarity, AP by QP is equal, AP by QP is equal 6 by 2 is equal to is here, BS by PS is here. Whatever the BS is here, whatever the BS is here, BS is x plus y, by PS is whatever is here, y can be taken. You observe ABS, PQS are the two similar triangles is here, two corresponding sides, AB by PQ is equal to, right. What is the BS by whatever is here, PS can be taken, right. Simplify this one is here, simplifying this one is here, y is equal to whatever is here, x by 2. Right, that imply dy by dt is equal to, dy by dt is equal 1 by 2 into whatever is here, dx by dt is given, right. What is the dx by dt? Change in given dx by dt is equal, given dx by dt is equal 5 kilometers for whatever is here, second. The value is 1 by 2 into whatever is here, 5 kilometers for whatever is here, second is given, right. So the value is 1 by 2 into 5 is here, that is imply 2.5 kilometers for whatever is here, second can be taken, right. Y is shadow, rate of the change in shadow is whatever is here, 2.5 kilometers per hour can be taken is here. So therefore required answer is here 2.5 kilometers per hour, right. What 6 meters the height of the lamp, 2 meters height of the person, shadow is increasing at which rate is asking. So walking in the rate of the increasing, uniform walking is here 5 kilometers per second. So therefore two triangles are similar. Using the similarity, we get the function relation between x and y. Y is equal to x by 2. Rate of the change in y is dy by dt is equal 1 by 2 dx by dt. X is the whatever is here, right. Uniform walking rate of the change is to 5 is here, given 2.5 kilometers per second. చూడండి, సో 6 సెంటీమీటర్ల పొడవున్న ఒక విద్యుత్ దీపం దగ్గర 2 సెంటీమీటర్ల పొడవున్న ఒక మనిషి పోల్కి దూరంగా నడుస్తూ ఉన్నాడు. 5 కిలోమీటర్ పర్ సెకండ్ వేగంతో యూనిఫామ్ ఏకరీతిగా నడుస్తూ ఉన్నాడు. అయితే అతని నీడలోని మార్పు రేటుని కనుక్కోమన్నాడు. చూడండి, సో ఇప్పుడు రైట్ ఈ పటంని ఉపయోగిస్తే ఏబిఎస్ పిక్యూఎస్ అనే రెండు త్రిభుజాలు సర్వసమానాలు, రైట్. దాన్ని సిమిలారిటీని ఉపయోగిస్తే సో ఏబి బై పిక్యూ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ బిఎస్ బై పిఎస్ ఈజ్ హియర్, రైట్. సో దాని ప్రకారం ఎక్స్ కామా వైల మధ్య సంబంధం ఏంటండి? వై ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఎక్స్ బై 2. సో వైలోని మార్పు రేటు డిఎక్స్ బై డిటి ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ 1 బై 2 ఇంటూ డిఎక్స్ బై డిటి. సో ఎక్స్ అనేది ఏంటండి? మనిషి యూనిఫామ్లో నడిచే మార్పు రేటు. యూనిఫామ్గా నడిచే మార్పు రేటు ఎంత ఇచ్చినాయండి? 5 ఇచ్చినాడు. కాబట్టి వై అంటే మనకు షాడో, అతని నీడలోని మార్పు రేటు డివై బై డిటి ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ 2.5 సెంటీమీటర్స్ పర్ సెకండ్, రైట్. కాబట్టి ఫస్ట్ ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ కరెక్ట్. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, ఏ పార్టికల్ మూవ్స్ along the curve y is equal 2x cube minus 3x square plus 4 if x coordinate is increasing at the rate of 0.5 per second. The rate of change of the y coordinate, when x is equal to is dash. When x is equal to is dash, first response is 4 seconds, second response is 6 seconds, third response is 8 seconds, and the fourth response is 2 seconds, right. So what? A particle moving on the curve, right. The change of the x coordinate increasing at the rate of 0.5 second per second, 5 per second is here at x equal to, then the rate of the change in y coordinate is asking, right. So what given curve is here? Given curve is here y is equal 2x cube minus 3x square plus whatever is here 4. Rate of the change in y coordinate dx by dt is equal, what happened? 2 into 3x square into dx by dt minus 3 into 2x into dx by dt is here, right. So 4 constant is 0, dy by dt is equal, so what happened is here 6x square minus 6x into whatever is here dx by dt is given, Right. What given is here? Given required point is x equal to rate of the change in x coordinate dx by dt is equal 0.5 is given. Substitute this value is here 6 into 2 square minus 6 into 2. Right, into the value is 0.5. So simplify this one is here. So dy by dt is equal to whatever is here 6. Right. So the rate of the change in y coordinate is here 6 per second is here. The x rate of the change x is given. Rate of the change in y is 6. Right. So what about the particle moving in the curve? Curve equation is given. Right. Rate of the change in x coordinate is given at the point x equal to asking rate of the change in y coordinate. Right. So at x equal to rate of the change in x coordinate is dx by dt is given and curve equation is given. Asking rate of the change in y coordinate. That's why dy by dt is equal, simplify, substitute x value and dx by dt value. We get rate of the change in y coordinate is 6 per second is here. చూడండి ఒక కణం y is equal 2x cube minus 3x square plus 4 అనే వక్రంపై కదులుతుంది. x is equal 2 అయినప్పుడు x నిరూపకంలోని మార్పు రేటు 0.5 per second అని ఇచ్చినాడు. అయితే y నిరూపకంలోని మార్పు రేటు కనుక్కోమన్నాడు. అంటే x2 x నిరూపకంలో మార్పు రేటు dx by dt 0.5 ఇచ్చినాడు. అయితే y నిరూపకంలో మార్పు రేటు కనుక్కోమన్నాడు. కణం ఏ వక్రం వెంబడి కదులుతుందండి? y is equal 2x cube minus 3x square plus 5. దాని y నిరూపకంలో మార్పు రేటు dy by dt. దీంట్లో x వాల్యూ x నిరూపకంలో మార్పు రేటు dx by dt సూక్ష్మీకరిస్తే సో dy by dt y నిరూపకంలో మార్పు రేటు 6 per second is here. కాబట్టి సెకండ్ రెస్పాన్స్ is correct. An object moves on the curve x square is equal to 3y when x is equal to 3, the x coordinate of the object is increasing at the rate of 1 centimeter per second. At that moment the rate of increases in y coordinate is dash centimeter per second. Right. First answer is 1, second answer is 2, third answer is 3, fourth answer is 4. What? An object moves on the curve x square is equal to 3y. At x equal to 3, the rate of the change is increasing at the rate of 1 centimeter per second. Then asking find the rate of the increasing in the y coordinate is given. Right. What given is here? So x is equal to is given. Rate of the change in x coordinate dx by dt is 1 centimeter per second is given and the rate of the change in y coordinate is here. What the curve, the object is moving on the curve x square is equal to whatever is here 3y. Differentiate 2x into dx by dt is equal to is here 3 into whatever is here dy by dt is here. Substitute the value is here 2 into 2 into 1 is equal 3 into dy by whatever is here dt. So therefore dy by dt is equal dy by dt at x is equal to, right, at x is equal to 3 is here. At x equal to 3, right, whatever the value is here dy by dt is equal to whatever is here centimeter per second. Right. Therefore rate of the change in y coordinate is here 2 centimeters per second. చూడండి ఒక కణం x స్క్వేర్ ఇజ్ ఈక్వల్ 3y అనే వక్రం వెంబడి కదులుతుంది. x ఇజ్ ఈక్వల్ 3 అయినప్పుడు x నిరూపకంలోని మార్పు రేటు 1 సెంటీమీటర్ పర్ సెకండ్ అని ఇచ్చిండు. అయితే y నిరూపకంలోని మార్పు రేటు ఎంత అని అడిగిండు. రైట్. సో x వాల్యూ ఎంత అండి 3, x నిరూపకంలోని మార్పు రేటు ఎంత అండి 1. అయితే y నిరూపకంలోని మార్పు రేటు కనుక్కుమన్నాడు. ఇవ్వబడిన వక్రం సమీకరణం ఏంటండి x స్క్వేర్ ఇజ్ ఈక్వల్ 3y. దీన్ని సూక్ష్మీకరిస్తే x వాల్యూ 3, x లోని మార్పు రేటు x నిరూపకంలో మార్పు రేటు 1, దీన్ని సూక్ష్మీకరిస్తే y నిరూపకంలో మార్పు రేటు 2 సెంటీమీటర్ పర్ సెకండ్. కాబట్టి సెకండ్ ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ కరెక్ట్. డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్ S of a particle at time t is expressed as S is equal to 1/2 t cube minus 60. Find the acceleration. Find the acceleration at the time. Find the acceleration at the time when the velocity when the velocity is vanishes is dash. The first one is 6 units, second one is 5 units, third one is the 4 units, and the fourth one is the whatever is here 7 units is here. 7 units is here. Okay, right. So this is the asking question is here. Displacement of the particle at the time t expressed in the equation S is equal 1 by tq minus 6 square. Find the acceleration at the time of velocity is 0. Velocity is 0. Then find the whatever is here acceleration is given. Right. What the displacement equation at the time t? S is equal 1 by 2 tq minus whatever is here 60. This is given. Right. So what the velocity v is equal whatever is here ds by dt is here 1 by 2 into 3 t square minus whatever is here 6. This the velocity is here, and acceleration a is equal whatever is here d square s by dt square is here. The value is here 1 by 2 into 3 into 2t is here. 2 will be cancelled. What asking is here velocity v is equal 0 is here. Right. V is equal 0 means 1 by 2 3t square minus 6 is equal whatever is here 0. Simplifying this one is here time t is equal to whatever is here 2. At the time t is equal to velocity v is equal 0. At the time acceleration a is equal to. At the time acceleration a is equal 3 into whatever is here to 6 units is here. Right. Therefore velocity is 0. Then velocity is 0 at the time t is equal to is here. At the time t is equal to acceleration a is equal whatever is here 6 units is asking is here. Therefore acceleration velocity is 0, then acceleration a is equal to 6 units is here. Right. A particle moving at the time t, displacement equation s is given. Right. And velocity is 0, then find the acceleration is asking. Right. So the displacement equation s is given. Right. Velocity v is equal ds by dt, acceleration a is equal d square s by dt square. So asking the velocity 0. Velocity 0 at the time t is equal 4, t is equal 2. At the t is equal to what the acceleration is asking is here. Velocity a is equal whatever is here 6 units is here. చూడండి ఒక కణం t టైం వద్ద కదిలే దాని యొక్క సమీకరణం s is equal 1 by t tq minus 60 అని ఇచ్చినాడు. అయితే దాని యొక్క వేగం 0 అయినప్పుడు త్వరణం ఎంత ఉంటుంది కనుక్కోమన్నాడు. చూడండి టీ టైం వద్ద కణం కదిలే వక్రం సమీకరణం s ఈక్వల్ 1 by 2 tq minus 60. రైట్. కాబట్టి దాని యొక్క వేగం v is equal ds by dt, త్వరణం a is equal d square s by dt square. కానీ వేగం 0 వద్ద త్వరణం కనుక్కోమన్నాడు. v is equal 0 అయినప్పుడు v is equal 0 ఎప్పుడు అవుతుందండి? t is equal 2 అయినప్పుడు. t is equal 2 వద్ద త్వరణం a is equal ఎంత అండి? 6 units. రైట్. కాబట్టి కావాల్సిన ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ ఫస్ట్ వన్. ద ఫస్ట్ ఈజ్ ద కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ హియర్. ద diagonal of a square is changing at the rate of 0.5 centimeters per second. Then the rate of the change of area. Then the rate of the change of area when the area is 400 centimeter square is equal to dash. First answer is 20 root 2 centimeter square per second. The second answer is 10 root 2 centimeter square per second. Third answer is 1 by 10 root 2 centimeter square per second. The fourth answer is 10 by root 2 centimeter square for whatever is here second. Right. So the diagonal of a square change at the rate of 0.5 centimeters per second. Then the whatever the area is equal to 4 at the time area is equal to whatever the 400 centimeter square. Then find the rate of the change in the area is asking. Right. Suppose this is the one of the diagonal. One of the whatever is here square, side is whatever is here x centimeter, diagonal is suppose diagonal is d is here. Right. This the right angle triangle is here. This the square, side is x centimeter. So diagonal is whatever is here d. So using the whatever the Pythagoras theorem is here, d is equal to whatever is here root 2 x is here. d is equal to whatever is here, root 2 whatever is here, x is given, right. Then rate of the change in the diagonal, rate of the change in the diagonal, delta d is equal to whatever is here, 0.5 centimeters for whatever is here, second, right. Area of the square x square is equal, area of the square x square, a is equal to x square, a is given 400 centimeter square is equal to x square, therefore length of the side is whatever is here, 20 centimeter. Then rate of the change in the area, rate of the change in whatever is here, area, whatever is here, delta a is equal to question mark. The finding, this one is here, right. So what this one is here from this, right, rate of the change in diagonal is equal root 2 into rate of the change in whatever is here, side. So this is given 0.5 is here, 0.5 is equal root 2 into delta x is here, delta x is equal 0.5 by whatever is here, root 2, this is given, right. Area of the square a is equal to whatever is here, x square, rate of the change in area is equal to whatever the f dash x into whatever is here, delta x, 2 into x is given, what is that, 20 into rate of the change inside is here, 0.5 by whatever is here, root 2. The simplify this one is here, whatever that was simplifying this one is here, 10 by whatever is here, root 2, rate of the change in area is here, 10 by root 2 centimeters for whatever is here, centimeter square per second. What given, right, this is the square, rate of the change in diagonal is given, delta d is equal 0.5. Right, area is 400, from that length of the side is x is equal 20 centimeters is here. Then the what is the rate of the change in area is here, right. So what happened, right, d is from the diagonal, the what the diagonal is here, side is x is here, d is equal root 2x, right. Rate of the change in diagonal is equal root 2 into rate of the change of the side. From this one, rate of the change of the side is we get, right. We know that area of the square is a is equal to x square, from that rate of the change in area delta a is equal 10 by root 2 centimeter square per second. చూడండి, రైట్, ఒక చతురస్రం యొక్క వైశాల్యం 400 సెంటీమీటర్ స్క్వేర్ అయినప్పుడు దాని కర్ణంలోని మార్పు రేటు 0.5 సెంటీమీటర్ పర్ సెకండ్ అయితే వైశాల్యంలోని మార్పు రేటు ఎంత, రైట్. చూడండి, చతురస్రం యొక్క వైశాల్యం, చతురస్రం భుజం x అనుకుంటే చతురస్ర వైశాల్యం a ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు x స్క్వేర్, a 400 ఇచ్చిండు, దాని నుంచి చతురస్రం యొక్క భుజం పొడవు x ఈక్వల్ 20, రైట్. మరియు ఇది చతురస్రం భుజం యొక్క పొడవు x అయినప్పుడు దాని యొక్క కర్ణం d ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ రూట్ 2x, రైట్. దీనిలో మార్పు రేపు డెల్టా d ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ రూట్ 2 ఇంటూ డెల్టా x, డెల్టా d మనకి ఇచ్చినాడు కాబట్టి దీని నుంచి భుజంలోని మార్పు రేటు డెల్టా x వస్తుంది. కానీ వైశాల్యం a ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ ఎంత అండి, x స్క్వేర్, వైశాల్యంలో మార్పు రేటు డెల్టా a ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ f డాష్ x ఇంటూ డెల్టా x, x స్క్వేర్ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ ఎంత అండి, 2x ఇంటూ డెల్టా x. దీన్ని సూక్ష్మీకరిస్తే వైశాల్యంలోని మార్పు రేటు డెల్టా ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ 10 by root 2 centimeters per second. This is the correct answer. A particle moving on the straight line with velocity dx by dt is given x plus 1, where x is the distance travel. The time taken by the particle of the travel at the distance 99 is dash. At the 90, whatever the particle traveling at the distance 99 meters is here. Then what is the time taken? T is equal to asking is here. So what given is here? So whatever the velocity v is given, dx by dt is equal to whatever is here, x plus 1, where t is time, x is the distance travel. So x is 99 meters is given, right. So find t is equal to asking is here. Now given this is the differential equation, solving this differential equation we get the relation between x and y, that's why. So dx by x plus 1 is equal to whatever is here, dt, right. So this is the variable separable, integrating is here, integrating integral x dx by x plus 1 is equal integral dt plus whatever is here. See, this one is here log of x plus 1 base e is equal t plus whatever is here, c, right. But we know that at the time 0, right, the particle moving the distance x is also equating to whatever is here, 0. Substituting these values in the equation 1, right. Log of whatever 0 plus 1 base e is equal to is here, 0 plus c is here. Simplifying c is equal to what, 0, right. From 1 imply the value is here, t is equal to time t is equal log x plus 1 whatever is here base e, right. T is equal to what the log, what the x is given 99 plus 1 is here, right. The value is equal, t is equal base e is here, this is the 100, 10 square is here, 2 into log 10 whatever is here base e, 2 into log 10, right, 2 into log 10 base e is the correct answer is here. What, right. So the particle moving in the straight line with velocity is given, right. At what time the particle moving 99 meters is here. The velocity equation is dx by dt is equal to x plus 1. X plus 1 is here, x 99 meters is given. At what time the particle moving 99 meters is here, right. This is the relation between time and the travelling distance, right. So, we first find this is a given differential equation, first find the relation between the time and travelling distance. This is a differential equation solving with variable separable is here, right. Log x plus 1 is equal to t plus t at t is equal to 0. Right. At the time t, the particle moving is also 0 is here. From that y, the c value is here. X 99, that at the time t, x 99 substitute, t is equal to log 100 base e is here. 100 is 10 square. At the time t is equal to 2 log 10 base e is correct answer.